Hi Fusion foodies! Ever tried coloring fondant deep red, but ended up with a pinkish mess? Or aimed for black, only to get a dull, gray disappointment? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you the easy steps to achieve bold red and true black fondant, smooth, vibrant, and guaranteed to impress. Let's dive in. After resting for at least an hour, the fondant is ready to roll, shape, or color. Let's start by turning this into a bold, vibrant red. First, add a little white gel food color. Why? Because it neutralizes any ivory undertone, prevents color muting, helps bold shades stand out, and keeps your results consistent. Now, gradually add red gel coloring, a few drops at a time. Knead thoroughly after each addition until the color is fully blended in. If you're running into the same issue I had, where no matter how much red gel you add, the fondant still looks pink or dull, here's the secret. Add a couple drops of black gel food color and knead well. This brings out a deep pinkish tone. Then, for the final boost, add a few drops of purple gel color and knead again. And just like that, you've got a deep, bold, vibrant red. Coat the fondant with a little shortening to lock in moisture and boost the shine. Let it rest, wrapped tightly. It'll deepen even more over time. And don't forget to change your gloves and clean your work surface before starting the next color. Now for the true black fondant. If you've ever tried adding black gel color and ended up with a dull gray instead of black, I get it, I had the same problem. The fix? Cuttlefish ink. It's food safe and works like magic. Just a small amount, about half to 1 teaspoon, is all you need. Rub a bit of shortening on your hands and surface to keep things from sticking. Then knead it in. Just a note, fondant softens the more you handle it. If you want it to firm up, simply let it sit untouched for a bit. The result? A rich, true black fondant with no gray in sight. Wrap it tightly and let it rest. Just like with red, the black color will continue to deepen as it sits. Want more? Be sure to check out my separate video, where I show you exactly how to make marshmallow fondant. Using just 3 simple ingredients, super easy and no fail every time. And don't miss the full video, where I use that same fondant to decorate an adorable Mickey Mouse cake. It's simple, fun, and perfect for any celebration. Thank you for watching, Fusion Foodies. Keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. See you in the next video.